How to fix sound coming only from one side of the headset. So if you want to fix sound coming only from one side of the headset or speaker problem on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply right click on your Windows and then go with settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with the left side and you need to search for audio. Once you search for the audio, you will have your audios. So you will have mono audio, right? So you just need simply click on mono audio and make sure that your mono audio is turned off. If it is already turned off, you need to go and turn it on and again turn it off. And once you turn that off, now your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for control panel. And once you open up your control panel, you'll have sound section. Click on sound. Here you need to go with either speakers, or if you have connected to your headphones, you need to go with your headphones. Double click on it, on either one of that, and then you need to go with the advanced section, and under advanced or levels, and here on the levels, make sure that your left and the right levels are same. You may also have balance section. You need to just go with balance, and here you will have left and right. Make sure that they are okay. But if you're facing the problem in your headphones, then you need to go with your headphones too. And then you need to just go with the balance section. It only appears when you connect your headphones to your laptop or your PC. So make sure to connect to your headphones and you'll get the option. So you just need to simply go with the option and check your left and right audios. Once you've checked that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, your laptop or your PC. Just go and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.